Can you measure your own height? Sounds strange? Hold on. EASYCARE brings to you is digital stature meter, using which even kids can measure their height. It's so simple. Let's talk about some of its meticulous features. This product is equipped with ultrasonic sensors that provide accurate height readings with pinpoint accuracy. Buzzer prompts 1 sound when the measurement is accurate and 2 when there is an error. Backlit color display. Unit button so that you can measure your height in feet as well as in centimeters. This device has a large area of application such as homes, schools, medical camps, doctor clinics, etc. It's also really easy to use. Let me show you how. The first step is to stand in a comfortable space. Second, you place the device touching your head with its tip over here. This ensures that the device is in contact with you. Next step is to take the device out in a single line right at the level of your head. Press the measure button and there you go. You get the measurements in centimeter, and also after pressing the unit button, you will get the measurement in feet. That's it. That's so simple. But also ensure that you're doing this in the right way. Because if I just simply touch it to my head and press the measure button before, I'm going to get an error notification. So ensure that once you've placed it on your head, you take it out in a straight line and then press the measure button to get the accurate results. Isn't it just so simple? This product is compact, lightweight, and hence it is travel friendly. So what are you waiting for? Get EASYCARE's digital stature meter right today.